Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, Chief Appreciation Strategist at Grategy, coming to you live from beautiful Cleveland, Ohio. I'm excited to meet you at the Control System Integrators Association on May 2nd from 9 o'clock to 9:45 in beautiful Asheville, North Carolina. Join me for Mastering the Millennial Mindset, how to attract and retain your emerging leaders. After spending 13 years in industrial sales, including 7 years in the welding industry, and yes, I do weld, I know how difficult it is to find the people who are willing and able to do the job for you, particularly when you have lots of generations working together that don't necessarily play nice together. You spend so much time and money and effort to attract and retain these people. So how do you get everybody on the same page, no matter what year they were born or how they're wired for work? Join me at my session and find out. In this interactive, informative, and fun session, you'll walk out with ideas that you can use immediately, like tomorrow. You'll hear from me, but you'll also hear what's working with the other people in the room as well. It's more of a conversation than a lecture. So just so you know, I'm Lisa Ryan, and I will see you on Thursday, May 2nd in Asheville, North Carolina. See you there.